Sorry about that. This is Alex again with Ridge on Roofing. I had a phone call and it stopped the recording. I think I was removing the shingle. It's out, so I just removed the shingle, and I'll go ahead and show you the areas that did have already torn, as you saw in the video that I was barely lifting it up. It's torn there, and there was another tear right here. Is starting to tear too. I'm sure you can see that. So, and that's literally the corner of the shingle. But I'm gonna continue. Hopefully I don't get any more interruptions so I can get this done. Another tear. I'm sorry, I'm getting another call. Let me make sure it didn't stop. Okay, good. Done. Alright, before I touch these, I'm just going to go over here. You can see the granule already, the amount of granule lost, but I haven't touched these shingles. You can see no creases caused because I haven't touched, like lifted them up or anything. Alright, here's the tears. Obviously, there's that right there. That was formed. A tear here. Oh, sorry about that. There's a tear here. That crease, let's wipe here. Oh, crease right there just formed. Crease right there, and I was barely lifting these shingles. So right there, there. So obviously the shingles did crease, tore tear there. So multiple tears, creasing. I mean, I don't know what else to say. I don't think this is repairable just from repairing this one shingle. There's a bunch of tears and creases. Now,